Hello everyone, Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks again for tuning in. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is to make bath bombs. Not really. Honestly, I don't like making them, and that wasn't funny. Little background on me. Before I was doing soap, before I had a YouTube channel, I was making bath bombs. Lots and lots of bath bombs. And then I decided soap was a lot more fun, and the humidity in Maryland, it just wasn't worth fighting with. When you make bath bombs and there's a lot of humidity, it's a nightmare. So I stopped, and I can't remember the last time that I've made a bath bomb. I don't even know if I knew how to make bath bombs anymore. So this is going to be interesting. And then I'm like, well, what kind can I make? What is Christmassy? What is one of my favorite Christmas movies? This is my favorite Christmas movie. I don't know why it's so funny. It's not my type of humor. Not a big fan of Will Ferrell. And sorry if you guys are, and I said that, and yeah. Anyway, this is just where this is going. I'm making a Buddy the Elf bath bomb. It'll be available in the Etsy shop for Christmas if you're interested in buying that. Let's get started. Okay, so I have all my ingredients here. In this bowl is baking soda and some cornstarch that I've sifted. I've got my citric acid here. I've got my bath bomb molds. I've got some bath bomb embeds. These are what are going to explode out of the bath bomb and create more surprise color. This is just citric acid and baking soda with a little color and polysorbate. I have some witch hazel and distilled water in a spray bottle. And this little guy is a mix of more polysorbate. That is to help the color disperse evenly in water and make sure it doesn't leave any rings around tubs. There's also some coconut oil in there and my fragrance. And my fragrance is the best part about this because I really think Buddy the Elf would, I guess, approve of it. It is a mix of chocolate, peppermint, cinnamon, maple sugar, and whipped butter. It smells delicious, and I really picture Buddy the Elf enjoying this bath bomb, like when he's sitting at the table with spaghetti and he's pouring all the sweets on top of it and the maple syrup and eating it. Like, that's his diet, right? Alright, so I've just mixed in my coconut oil and the fragrance with a little that polysorbate in there. I like to add my citric acid last to avoid any activation of it. So I just want to add that last and make sure everything else is incorporated, and then it gets as little of the liquid hitting it as possible. So I'm just going to keep mixing this up. I'm going to split it up. I really want the bath bomb to be two different colors. I want it to be green and I want it to be yellow, just like his coat and his tights. And then I'm going to paint a little buckle on the front of it. Alright, so this looks like it is all incorporated, and I'm just going to add my citric acid. I'll split it up. I'll make sure it's at a right consistency before I start molding it. And the rest of the video, for the most part, will be in, it'll be sped up. Alright, so I've got my colors all mixed up here. I'm going to start with this yellow and put one of these embeds in there, like that. Same with the green. Lightly pack that and push it together. Take everything off. Pull it out like so. And set that to the side. And I'll keep going with that. Every now and then I add a little bit of the spray mixture to this to keep everything moist. Alright. I wanted to talk a little bit about another YouTuber that I absolutely love, and you guys should go check them out. It is Sin City Soaps. There's so many talented soap makers out there, and I love watching them all. We're all really good at supporting each other, encouraging each other, and Sin City Soaps, it's Wayne and Nicole, husband and wife, and they are a great team together, and they make all kinds of awesome products. They post so many videos, and I made an order from them. And I got it, and I will share that with you, and I'm absolutely in love with everything I got. So I want to thank them for everything. I'll do a little unboxing at the end of this video and show you guys all the wonderful products that she sent me. She really does a great job and makes some awesome things. Lots of bath bombs and candles and whip soaps. Bath bombs are done. They have sat for 12 hours and they are now hardened. So we've got Buddy's jacket and Buddy's leggings. And to top it off, I have to add his belt on it. So what I have is some gold mica that I've mixed in some isopropyl alcohol. And what I'm going to do here is just paint on his little buckle like that. And then I've got some activated charcoal, also in rubbing alcohol, and just paint on his belt, like so. And then this side. And that is our Buddy the Elf bath bomb. Super cute. Love the way it smells. While I was on a roll of doing these bath bombs, I thought I would just come up with a different one. In the background, you'll see I'm calling this one Holiday Cheer. It's got notes of orange, vanilla, cinnamon, and peppermint. Has little Epsom salts that I've colored to look like sprinkles and a little gingerbread man in there. Both of these bath bombs have the red embeds in the inside so that when they dissolve, they'll release that red color. They should be available now in the Etsy shop, so go ahead and check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved just switching things up and doing something other than soap, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Stay tuned for more fun soap making videos and bath bombs and candles and anything that I decide I feel like making. Questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Hit that notification bell to be alerted of any new videos I upload. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day, and I'll smell you later. So she sent me this huge box of goodies. I put 4 things in my cart. It was hard not to add everything to my cart, but I only picked 4 things, and she sent me so much stuff. So one of the things that I wanted was one of her candles, and I picked the Holly Jolly fragrance. It is a wood wick candle, and it's got a little bit of glitter on top of there. Isn't that cute? It's a really large candle. It smells really good. I cannot wait to burn it. I'm weird about my candles. I only pull out the candles for that specific holiday. So I'll have a cabinet of candles that I'll just stock up on, and once all the fall candles are done, I won't light another one. Each candle goes with each season. I'm really weird about that, and I have a huge collection of candles. It's pathetic. Alright, and I also added this bath bomb to my order, and it is a volcano crackling skull. It smells really good, and it has like this, looks like pop rock candy looking decoration on it, and some crushed rose leaves, and it's really big. Like, look how big that is. That is a nice size bath bomb. And then the other thing I wanted was one of these bubbling bath bombs. I really loved the color of this. This is I forget what the fragrance was. I think it was like Autumn Woods, something along that line. And the other thing I bought was one of her soaps. This is a Witchy Woman, and I hate to open it, but I really want to show you guys what the inside of this looks like. I'm loving the swirl on here. I'm loving all the embeds on it. It's a really good size. This was actually on clearance. I think she had a lot of her holiday soaps clearanced. And so I saw her make this one. She does, again, have a YouTube channel. And a lot of the things that I bought, you can see made on there. And I saw her make this one. And since I love witches, I had to get it. It's got a little hat on it and a little broomstick and like the little witch. It kind of reminds me of like she's flying on her broomstick there. I don't know if she meant to do that. And like, I don't know, those are clouds. It smells really good. Alright, so extra stuff she sent me. Way too generous, Nicole. Thank you so much. Another one of these bath bombs, the Skull bath bombs. This one is called Haunted Halloween. And it smells like grape. That's really cool. I can't wait to use all of these products. She sent me one of these Halloween cupcakes. Halloween soapy cupcakes. And this is in Blueberry Pumpkin Patch. I love how she has packaged this. Making noise, making noise. But I want to show you how lovely her cupcake soaps are. There's lots of really spooky embeds on there. Then she sent me an extra one of these bubbling bath bombs. And a little shot glass full of bath bomb in it as well. And then my favorite thing out of all of this is her cauldron bath bomb, Sweet Candy Cauldron bath bomb. How cool is that? I've never used one of these. I've never made one of these. I've seen them. I'm really excited to use this. I'll probably save this for last. Everything smells so good. So she packages her things really well. I've already taken out all the bubble wrap, the peanuts, and the colored shreds that were in there. She does a great job and puts a lot of care in her products. Go check her out. She has an Etsy store as well. These bath bombs are amazing. And again, I just want to say thank you so much, Nicole and Wayne, for these awesome products.